Hello kids, how are you? I hope you are fine at home. This is your second video related to chapter 12, that is seasons. In first video we had discussed the concept of seasons and types of seasons, and in the second video we discussed textbook exercises. Now we are going to discuss our notebook exercises, and this is your first video of your notebook. In this video we will discuss word meanings and question answers. So first exercise is word meaning. Word and their meanings. Students, this you have to write in your EVS notebook. आपको अपनी EVS की notebook में लिखना है. Okay? So first word is atmosphere. What do you mean by atmosphere? First is atmosphere. Atmosphere means environment. Second word is brightly. Brightly means glowingly. So the second word is brightly. It means glowingly. Third word is plenty. Plenty means many or more. So you have to write many. Okay? Now the fourth word is bloom. Bloom means growing, or you can write opening. Now see the fifth word, that is, fifth word is chirp. When the birds chirp. Chirp means chip. Next word is autumn. Autumn means fall. Autumn meaning is fall. आपको पता है ना, autumn season when the leaves turn yellow and fall to the ground, that is autumn season. Now what do you mean by spring? See the seventh word, that is spring. Spring means, yes, spring means bloom. Spring means bloom. Now the eighth word is warm. Warm means hot. Warm means hot. Ninth word, that is shed. What do you mean by shed? Shed means lose. When trees lose their leaves. Okay? And the last word is pleasant. What do you mean by pleasant? That is enjoyable. Okay? Enjoyable. Now students, see it again. First word is atmosphere, that means environment. Second word is brightly, it means glowingly. Third word is plenty, that means many. Fourth word is bloom, its meaning is growing and opening. Fifth, chirp, that means chip. Sixth word is autumn, it means fall. Seventh word is spring, that means bloom. Eighth word is warm, that means hot. Ninth word is shed, that means loss. 10th word is pleasant, that means enjoyable. Now students, we will discuss question answers. So write answer the following questions. And first question is, what is season? Question number 1 is, what is season? Students, do you know what do you mean by season? Season means when the same type of weather remains for a long period of time, that is called seasons. So, write the answer. जब एक मौसम बहुत ही लंबे समय के लिए होता है उसको हम सीजन बोलते हैं. When the same type of weather remains for a long period of time, is called seasons. Students, how many types of seasons are there in India? कितने टाइप्स के होते हैं सीजन? Yes, tell me. How many types of seasons? Types of seasons are there in India? Yes. I want the answer. कितने टाइप्स के होते हैं सीजन्स? There are 5 types of seasons. So, write in this way, there are 5 types of seasons in India. Write the different names of seasons in India. Question number 3 is, name the 5 types of seasons. Students, can you name them? Yes, the 5 different seasons, that is summer, rainy, autumn, winter and spring. So, you have to write the names. The 5 types of seasons are, the 5 types of seasons are, first one is summer, second one is winter, third one is rainy, fourth autumn, and the last one is spring. Now question number 4 is, students, please write in your EVS notebook. Okay. Students, when we use umbrella and raincoat, can you tell me? हम रेनकोट कब पहनते हैं? जब बारिश होती है ना. So next question is, when we use umbrella and raincoat. Yes, tell me fast. When we use umbrella and raincoat? We use umbrella and raincoat in rainy season. So answer is we use umbrella and raincoat in rainy season. Okay. Yes, question number 5 is, in which season we see flowers blooms? Yes, in which season we see flowers bloom everywhere? Flower blooms everywhere. So वो कौन सा सीज़न है जब हम फ्लावर्स देखते हैं, बटरफ्लाइज देखते हैं और जो मौसम होता है वो बहुत ही अद्भुत होता है. वो कौन सा मौसम है? दैट इज यस, दैट इज स्प्रिंग सीजन. सो इन स्प्रिंग सीजन we see flowers bloom everywhere. We see flowers blooms everywhere. And the last question is, in which season leaves turn yellow and fall to the ground? वो कौन सा सीजन है जब पत्ते पीले हो जाते हैं और वो टूटकर धरती पर गिर जाते हैं? स्टूडेंट्स, वो कौन सा सीजन है? वो सीजन है ऑटम का. सो इन ऑटम सीजन लीव्स टर्न येलो and fall to the ground. Okay. Now what you have to do is, you have to write word meanings and these question answers in your EVS notebook in a good handwriting. Please student, maintain your notebook properly. Before writing word meaning, you know what you have to do? You have to maintain the first page of the lesson. Okay. So complete your notebook with neat and clean handwriting. Thank you. Have a nice day. Till then, bye bye.